Princess, what you are asking to do is very difficult. And it will cost me not just being sad, but the king will make sure I rot in jail.
I will not let anything of such happen to you.
But your father is a resolute king.
I know who my father is. I know how he thinks. But listen, I can never do anything that will jeopardize your child. I will reward you handsomely. I promise.
Margaret. Margaret. Where is she?
My queen, she was here a while ago.
Then where is she?
She was here a while ago.
Go to her bathroom and check. Please check for her in the bathroom.
Let me check. My queen, she's not there.
Dial her number.
Okay. My queen, switch off.
What? Dial her number again.
My queen, same thing.
So what do we do?
Okay, my queen, let me go and check around. I think she's somewhere.
Go quickly, go. Just stop, I'm coming after you.
They seem to be taking time.
Oh, you don't do not worry. She will soon be here. You know, my daughter likes to take some time to prepare, especially in occasion like this. It will take a little while.
Very correct. You would like to.
All right.
What's going on?
Margaret is nowhere to be found.
How did she get up?
Princess, stop it, stop it, stop it, stop it. Oh.
What is it? You don't find me adorable?
That's not the point, Princess.
So what is the point? I want you to deflower me. I want you, Kingsley.
Princess, I know you're not in the right frame of your mind.
Oh!
Stop.
I'm crazy, right? No problem. I shouldn't have been here in the first place.
Princess, stop. Princess, I'm sorry. Okay, I don't mean it. Okay? I'm ready to do whatever you ask of me. Okay?
please don't do it.
You don't desire me. So what's the point?
That's not true. I love you.
Really?
Yes. More than anything in this world.
Then prove it.
This is a slap in your face. This is a slap in.
I'm sorry for the embarrassment, but rest assured that everything will be fixed.
I've been so in my entire life.
I know. But it will be sorted out. Trust me, it's cool.
So despite all my warning, you still went ahead with that girl. Kissily, why? Kissily, why? Why did they unfair? Why are you putting our lives in trouble?
Mama, I am not putting anyone's life in trouble. I have not committed any crime. Falling in love means I will never be kind.
But did you not know that she is betrothed to a prince? Why are you meddling?
Mama, I am not meddling. I am not.
Stop making it to look as if I'm the one that made her not to fall in love with the so-called prince. Eh?
To what end?
What do you mean by that?
You and I know that her father will never accept you as his son-in-law.
Mama, you don't have to. When we get there, process it.
Guess I'm talking to you. Kissily.
I know you're talking to you. Won't get the crossing.
Yeah, Kissily. You must listen to me. When I'm here.
Mama, we had a BPO. Do you want?
Oh, you know what's my BP up here?
I am asking you fools for the last time. How did my daughter leave the palace?
My king, I don't know how she made it out.
So I am no longer safe. Anyone could just walk into the palace and kidnap me or any member of my family without you fools knowing of it. Oh. Really? So I have been feeding and paying Umokokos all this while. Look, fools. I know my daughter got help from one of you. I will find out. Pray to the God that you will still be here by the time I do. Pray that my daughter returns. Otherwise, I will ruin you and ruin your families. Get out!
Good afternoon, Your Majesty.
Good afternoon, Your Majesty.
I believe you are Kingsley.
Yes, I'm Kingsley.
You're the one that has been holding the daughter. As if she's your prison. No. How could you? Did you take a look at yourself? A hunter. Maybe you think she will live by the spoils you get in the bush. You that is a shadow of yourself. Just look at you. What is giving you the moral? What is giving you the nerve to think you can have a princess? I beg you your interest. Undo everything, every voodoo you're using to manipulate her. Because the Margaret I see is not in her right frame of mind. You are manipulating her.
With all due respect to your majesty, I did not do anything to your daughter.
Shut up. Shut your stinking mouth. Idiot. I didn't come here to trade words with you. Hey, I believe you're his mother. And you have a huge influence on him as his mother. Tell him to stay away from her. Because my husband, the king of America, is not a man you can joke with. He's not a man you can toy with. Stay away from her daughter because you will not be alive. Do not live to regret it. Stay away from her. She is not your match. She is not your class. Worry your son in his interest and in your interest. Excuse me.
I told you, leave that girl alone. Manady and leave her. Guess what is your problem? Guess what is your problem? You just come up and easy. I have no strength, I cannot fight that thing. Can you hear me again?
Mama, leave that thing. Nothing will happen. Nothing will happen with all these things.
Kingsley, we are nobody in this community. Leave that princess alone. I know no class, in fact. We are not up to their class. This boy got laptop on him. You don't want to know. Kingsley!
How is she?
She's not any better. She's burning. Have you called the doctor?
Yes, I did. He said he will be here very soon.
Your Majesty, don't you think we should take her to the hospital?
Let us wait for the doctor to arrive here. If he arrives, the routine check will determine.
I should get a towel and give her a cold press?
Just calm your nerves until the doctor arrives.
Yes, she's fine. I asked her to get me her first urine of the day for test tomorrow. Yes. I gave her some drugs. Please, make sure she takes them. Very important. So that we can know where the problem is. I have to take my leave.
Welcome, Doctor.
Greetings, Your Majesty. Doctor.
Please, sit down.
Thank you.
Have you checked on her today?
Yes, my queen. I did that the moment I stepped into the palace.
That's impressive. So, how is her health status?
She's fine. She's doing well. You see, the moment I submitted the sample to the lab, they went through it and the result came out this morning.
So, what is the result like?
My queen, it may interest you to know that the princess is pregnant.
What? What? Is this your kind of joke?
So, doctor, are you really serious about this?
Yes, my queen. The princess is pregnant.
I gave you everything good life has to offer. You received the best education from one of the most prestigious schools in the world. Getting pregnant under my roof is the best way to pay me back.
Sorry, Dad.
No! You are not sorry! I warned you! I tried my best to stop you, but you were bent on bringing shame into this prestigious family of mine. But you know what? It will never go well with anyone who has sworn. Drag my way through the dirty mud. But I start thinking what to do to yourself. It better be good, or I'll be forced to think. Trust me, you will not like how I think. I need breathing space. Get out!
I said it. Yesterday I said it, but you won't listen. I don't know about you won't listen. Walk easily. I said it. Kiss away him, Maggie. Kiss away him, Maggie. Walk easily. Why are you like this? Why need you and Rife? Kissily. Have I not been good to you? Have I not been good to you? Have I not treated you like my own son? Why will you invite the wrath of the king and his family on me? Kissily, can you hear me?
Mama, I didn't know it would happen like that.
Oh, you didn't know. Now you know. You didn't know. And that was why you were sleeping with her all this while. If you're going to hear them, no now. Uncle Balagaka, okay, you want them to clap for you, okay? This is a bad roll. No wahala. Okay, you want us to run away, okay?
Mama, no now. For what? Eh? Did I kill anybody?
Oh.
Run for what?
Imagine him, Kinsley. You don't even know the crime, the weight of the crime you committed. What, Kinsley? Do you know what these people will do to you? Do you know the weight of the crime you committed? Because somebody money to balo. Who are you to impregnate her, Kinsley, for crying out loud? Can you, Maggie? Do we run? Why are you like this now? Hey! Hey! Chimebuem okansije. Chimebugo Kinsley map. Hey! Hey! Kinsley! When I was saying this, Kinsley, why are you like this now? Kinsley, you will come first, though. You will give me, I'll die for you, Kinsley. Now, go. Now.
My husband, what do we do about this before the situation gets out of hand?
The situation is already out of hand, Esther.
I am talking about your friend Igwe Dennis. I know he will not be happy if he gets to hear something about this.
There is thunder in the sky already. This situation has messed my plans.
Greetings, my queen. You sent for me.
You can leave us. Alice, you're the only one amongst all the staff in this royal palace closest to the family. And as such, you're not ignorant of the situation at hand. I want that to remain within the family. If any other person, apart from the family member, should hear about this, I will personally hold you responsible. I do not like the outcome. Have I made myself clear?
Yes, my queen. My queen, I will never ever betray you or Princess Margaret. Trust me, my queen.
You can go back to your chores.
Okay, my queen.
Mom, I can't do it.
You have to do it, Margaret. You don't understand the shame will never wipe away if you chose not to do it. In fact, it's a way of making things right between you and your father. Because as he stands now, he's very angry and disappointed at you. The marriage between you and Prince Walter must hold.
I don't love him. Why are you people trying to force me to marry a man I have absolutely no atom of feelings for?
Margaret, you don't marry who you love. You love who you marry. It's not about you and this marriage. It's about preserving the throne.
How do you mean?
Your father has no male child. If you marry Prince Walter, you two will rule as king and queen. And when you give birth to a son, he will take over when he becomes of age. If not, we'll lose our hold over the throne. Is that what you want for us?
Mom, you don't expect me to just go under the knife. What about my health? What if I don't come out?
Of course you will come out. Even if it means us flying you abroad to do it. We will do it. So that fool get off the way. By the way, he must not know about the pregnancy. Is that clear? Hasten up and do the needful. A stitching time saves 9.
Father, you sent for me.
Why have you sworn to be reckless all through your life?
Father, what have I done? Where have I gone wrong again?
You knew our plans. Why did you boggle it before time?
But I still don't understand what you're talking about.
Words got to me that Princess Margaret is pregnant. How come you should be so reckless?
Pregnant?
You heard me.
How? Father, I have never laid my hands on Margaret. Neither have I slept in the same room with her. How can she be pregnant? Who got her pregnant?
Are you saying you're not responsible for her
But I
pregnancy?
swear on my life, I have never seen that place before.
I am so sorry for what I made you pass through. The pains and humiliation.
Being sorry is not relevant, my love. What do we do? Because we stand the risk of losing this child if I continue to stay in that palace. Except you have no problem with that.
We can't lose this child.
So what do we do? Time is running out and I can't hold them off for too long.
I cannot ask you to come and stay in my place because she's not safe there either.
Except what?
I don't know if you like the idea.
Just say it.
Have you talked some senses into her?
Your Majesty senses, I don't know. But I've spoken extensively to her.
And did she agree to it?
As if you don't know how stubborn your daughter can be. I don't care. All I know is that she must terminate that pregnancy. Whether she agrees or not. Even if it means dragging her myself to the hospital, I will do that to ensure she does the needful.
Well, the doctor will be here tomorrow morning to proceed. But dragging her to the hospital will be like a banana peel of fertilizer.
Majesty, I think you have a point there. Let me find out. Rather say now, still talk to her to prepare her for what is coming.
It's okay. Just try as much as you can. Try.
Greetings, my king. Greetings, my queen.
Ology, what is it?
The princess, my king. She's gone.
Gone?
I don't understand.
How?
She's not in her room.
Perhaps she went for a walk or something.
No, my king. I don't think so. Her bags and her clothes are gone.
What?
Yes. And she also dropped this.
She's not inside. What about her son? He's not inside either. Woman, where is the princess and your useless son?
Amarom, I have told you I don't know. It has been long the princess came here. I've not seen her. I woke up this morning, I did not see my son. I thought he has gone for his usual hunting, not Jalonta. I looked around, I saw he's gone. I went into his room, I did not see his clothes. Am I wrong?
It's okay. We will find him. And when we do, he will regret being born. Let's go. Let's go! My king, we searched everywhere, but we couldn't find her. We also went to the boy's house. His mother told us that he's also gone. Yes.
We eloped my daughter.
Yes, Your Majesty.
Margaret, how could you? How could you do this to your own parents, Margaret?
You do or you do.
Greetings, Your Majesty.
You never told us you are coming.
Cut that out. Was that why you hid your daughter's philandry nature from me?
I don't understand.
Of course you do. So you knew all the while that your daughter has been a social misfit And you made me believe otherwise. She even got pregnant, you couldn't mention it to me.
Yeah, well, I believe that this is something that will get worked out.
There's nothing to work out because I've come here to let you know that I have severed the relationship between you and I and between your kingdom and my kingdom. Yes, I cannot associate myself with a family that is bereft of honor. Never!
But maybe you do. But you're being more irrational. Margaret has wrecked my boat. In time, Margaret has decked me. That's right. Henceforth, she ceases to be called my daughter. I don't want her name to be mentioned anywhere around this palace. The mention of her name is considered an abomination. I have decreed.
No, my husband. I beg you. I beg you. That's rather too harsh a thing to say about your own child. She's just being foolish. Thinking like a child she is. Very soon she will come back to her senses. Please, I beg you.
Kisele. Hey. Oh, why? Why me? Why? Hey. Ha! Kisele. Kisele. You have made me an object of ridicule in this village. Eh? Where would I get this work? Where would I get this work? Hey, where do I start from? Hey! Oh.
Hello? Hello?
Hi.
What is it? What are you thinking about?
Oh, nothing. I'm fine.
No. What are you thinking about?
A lot.
Like what?
We need to survive. We just need to survive. Okay? Look at me. I have nothing.
You don't have to worry.
No, I do. Look at your condition. We need money.
Like I said, you don't have to worry. All you should be doing now is to be thinking about the kind of business you will do to make money for us.
And now, after doing the thinking, where do I get the money to start up the business? How do I start?
I have some money in my commissary account. I can give it to you.
you so much. I love you with everything in me. I promise to make money and take care of you and our unborn child.
I trust you.
It's a love, no choice. Journey of love, no choice. It's a love, no choice. Journey of love, no choice. If it's a better
I have to do something about these two people. This foolishness is getting out of hand. How can a beautiful girl like my daughter be this foolish? When her mates are busy getting married to rich men, she is here wasting her life with this stupid vagabond.
Good evening, ma. Welcome.
She's okay. Maybe someone offended her in the market.
Are you sure?
Yes.
Because the look on her face, I don't...
It's either someone offended her or... Oh! I remember. I think she's hungry. Whenever my mom is hungry, that's how she used to squeeze her face so that she can rush and attack that food with all her acrimony.
I think you're right. That face is like a hungry man's face.
It's true.
You know, they say a hungry man is an angry man.
Yes, yes.
Whenever you're hungry, you're angry.
It's true.
I hope there's something for her to eat though.
Yes, now. From the food I gave you now. I've made food since.
Okay, there is some for her.
Yes, I kept for her.
Okay. No problem.
Oh, this one, no. Is this one? I have not do this one.
Okay, this one.
My father's guards, they were chasing me. Next night I slept and hit my tummy on the ground. And then
Hey, my love. It's not real. Okay? It's just a nightmare. You'll be fine, okay? Come on, let's go back to sleep. Come on. Oh? Fine.
Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness.
What is this? I hope it's not what I'm thinking. Oh my god. Just hold yourself, okay? What is this?
What happened? What is it?
God has finally decided to remember us.
Hey.
And he has proven himself to be a faithful God.
We know. What happened?
Okay. You remember the contract bid I submitted 2 months ago at the Ministry of Social Amenities?
Oh yes! The one you said that was given to someone else.
Exactly. You're right. We discovered that this guy brought his way into the ministry.
What?
And the contract was terminated.
Really?
Yes! Then I was at the shop. A call came in. Guess who called? The commissioner. He asked me to come to his office immediately. When I got there, he asked me to start the supply of the furnitures. Yes, with the upfront of 10 million naira.
Honey! You
You see? You see what I always tell you?
You said it.
I said don't worry.
You said it.
God is in control.
Oh, baby. Hey. This calls celebration.
Celebrate.
Afternoon, sir.
Good afternoon.
Please, can you help me get this log of food on my head?
Okay. This is too heavy for a lady like you now. Don't you have brothers to help you out?
No, I don't have.
This is too heavy. It's very heavy. Anyway, where are you taking it to?
To Izinta.
Izinta? You intend to carry this heavy load to Izinta?
What would I do now? I'm helping my mom.
It's too much. Let me help you. Don't worry.
Thank you so much.
Don't worry.
Okay. Thank you.
Don't worry.
Thanks, ma. Thank you once again.
You're welcome.
I was just standing there not knowing what to do. I had to carry that big log of food. Then God sent him my way. Thank you.
It's alright. I'm glad I could help.
You're a good man.
Thank you. I've not seen you around this village before.
Yeah, that's because I school in the city. School of Nursing.
Oh, that's nice. That's nice.
Yeah. We're on holidays, so I decided to come help my mom out.
That's so thoughtful of you. Yeah.
Thank you. My name is Ogechi. Oge for short.
Forgive my manners. My name is Chinedu.
Okay, Chinedu. I want to prepare Ofe Day with our leave later in the day. I would love to show some appreciation.
No, you don't need to bother. Don't worry, you don't need to bother.
Come on, I insist. I'd love you to come around. Okay? Please.
Alright, if you insist.
Thank you.
You're welcome. So, how are you enjoying your holidays?
As you can see, I'm enjoying it. I have you.
Thank you so much for that wonderful meal. I mean, it's been long I had such a delicious food. Seriously.
I'm glad you enjoyed it.
Of course, I did.
That's the least I could prepare.
For real?
Of course.
You mean you can do better?
Mm-hmm.
Wow. So, what are you, a chef or a nurse?
I just love cooking, that's all.
And I like eating. For real, I do. Please, when next you prepare such a delicious meal, don't hesitate to call me.
I will.
It's not like I eat outside though, but I can always eat your food. Yes. Oh?
Okay.
And thanks for the zobo.
You're welcome.
To think that you prepared this. I love it too.
That's nice. I'm glad you did.
I have to run along now. Now that I have your contact, I will always give you a call.
Okay.
And thank you once again.
You're welcome. See ya.
Unconditional love, it is sweet. My love have no boundaries, and we're a boundary child. Ebola, you're my love.
Chinedu.
Okay. How are you?
I'm fine. How are you?
Alright, as you can see.
I want to thank you for that. You were so powerful. Thank you so much.
It's okay.
Alright,
Alright. Alright. Hey, who is she? She's from AZ.
What does she mean by you are powerful? I don't understand. And why was she looking at you that way?
Anyway, I helped her drop a log of food on her head the other day. She was stranded at home. And ever since then, she can't stop taking me anytime she sees me. That's all.
That's all.
What do you mean? That's all. Nothing more.
Chinedu, I hope you are telling me the truth.
I'm telling you the truth, of course.
Your face is not saying the same thing with your mom. Your face is saying something else, your mouth is saying something else.
Nothing, no. Let's go.
Is that why she just saw you and saying, I'm Chinedu,
Let's
or the
go.
kind of sketch she was doing. Even when I was trying to show her that I'm here, she didn't want to say hello.
Stop.
Hello? Chinedu, where are you? This is okay. Please, can you come to my house? There is an emergency. Yes, I was using it to chop firewood. It's me on my leg. Please come. Okay, thank you. Okay.
Why did you have to go through like that?
The truth is, I felt for you the first time we met.
And you had to lie to me just to bring me here?
I needed to get you to come immediately. That was the only idea that came to my head.
You are a girlfriend. And I promised never to cheat on her.
I'm sorry, it won't happen again. I promise. Please forgive me.
Chinedu! Chinedu, please! Chinedu! Chinedu!
Anyways, I don't trick like this.
Oh, honey, come on. What are we here to see?
Hold on.
Honey, what are we here to see?
Have this.
What's this?
Open it.
What? It's a lie.
It's true.
No, you're joking, right?
I'm not joking, baby. It's for real.
You bought this house?
Yes.
Oh my goodness!
What?
Under 1 year?
Yeah.
How did you do it?
I told you I'm a hunter. Okay? My target. I know how to hunt for treasure. I know how to hunt for treasure, you know? And I go for big things.
I can see. Oh my goodness.
Yeah.
How?
Baby, see, you made it happen. Without you, we wouldn't go this far.
You know.
You made it happen.
Okay, I'm blushing. But that is the job of a woman in a man's life. To make him more prosperous and increase his wealth.
You're right.
Right?
Yeah.
Oh, I'm so happy.
You like it, huh?
I love it.
Good.
This
I'm
is
happy you
good.
love it.
Does he have a kitchen?
I knew it. I was waiting for that. I knew you were going to ask me for that kitchen. Yeah, of course.
Come show me.
There's a kitchen here and a very big kitchen.
Come show me.
My love, you know that man called Patrick? That man is very trickish, just like the trick in his name. I'm telling you. What did you do? Remember that land you contracted me to clear for him? Do you know that man was begging me to do that land with 10,000 naira, and I accepted.
Really?
Only for me to realize that he was paid heavily for the project.
That's pure wickedness.
I'm telling you, that man is very wicked.
How did you find out?
I was at the site yesterday, working. When the man came, I was so bitter. Complained that why should I be the only one working on the site? That he paid heavily for the project. I'm telling you.
My love, pick your call now. This phone has been ringing and you refuse to pick it.
Don't worry, it's a neighbor.
So here's a nobody. Wait, is this not the same Oge you met days ago that you said you have nothing to do with?
She's the one. But I don't have anything to do with her. I swear, I don't have anything to do with her.
You don't have anything to do with
I don't have anything, nothing. I swear. I don't have anything to do with her.
You lie, Chinedu. You're a big liar. Why are you not picking your calls?
And what business do I have with you?
Oh, what business do you have with me? You want to hit me and clean mouth? Chinedu, what did she just say?
I don't even understand what she's saying, my love. I don't even understand what she's saying. She's just blabbering.
You don't know what I'm talking about, Chinedu. When you were busy eating the food I prepared with my hands and the one between my legs, what were you expecting? For your information, I went to the hospital and I was told that I am pregnant.
You bloody liar! What are you blabbing?
Chinedu, so this is what you've been doing behind me?
My love, I don't understand what she's saying.
Shut up! I should have known all this.
Ego.
Chinedu!
Ego.
Chinedu! You come back here and meet me.
Talk to Mama now.
Mama, this is our home. My husband bought it.
Hey! Casey! Casey!
What is it?
Within a year, you bought this house. Omaka. Please, still on a village in Edge. I was thinking how both of you could cope. Eh? And later both of you were living large. Who may be your mama? Hi.
Mama, you see, I am sorry for everything, okay? We had no option and to leave, but I'm sorry the way we left. But I thank God for everything. Today, we are alright.
Mama, enough of the hey ha. Let me take you to your room so you can eat something.
Thank you. Kissing me. Kissing me. I don't do no more. Yeah? I love the way you look now. Yeah?